DataPoint, your digital balanced scorecard for strategy execution and performance excellence. Turn your vision into reality with Hoshin Kanri, creating line of sight to align goals organization-wide. Track KPIs live via dynamic dashboards integrated with lean tools, enabling teams to solve problems, improve, and decide smarter. Sustain accountability with SQDC Huddle boards, core to daily performance management, tracking safety, quality, delivery, cost, and people metrics regularly. Focused SQDC reviews engage teams in meaningful discussions to identify and solve challenges quickly. Maintaining discipline in critical areas builds collaboration, sharpens problem-solving, and promotes agile decision-making. This ongoing accountability and improvement ensures sustainable success, with every team member effectively contributing to achieving the organization's business goals. Join leading organizations worldwide, turn strategy into execution, and unlock your potential with DataPoint.